All right, here it is. MIU week one, Stephen Ratliff. Um, Man, what a week. As you see, the only place I could get some light was in the bathroom. So we're going to do this a 4 hour project that actually has taken much more than 4 hours and not even complete. I have reached out to students and also faculty, and they were very helpful. Unfortunately, I just was not able to grasp what we were trying to do this week. So what went right? The search bar. That's about it. Other than that, everything else went wrong. So the only thing I chose to do was actually take what I had, code and everything, submit it, and what will end up happening is that I will fix what needs to be fixed week two, week three, week four, and build upon that. So hopefully more things are going to end up going right in the next one. Um, just simple stuff. It seemed like I just could not get from creating my links into buttons. I worked on my index HTML, which I was instructed to do, and I just could not turn these actual links into buttons. Could not do it through CSS. I'm not sure what I was missing, what I was typing in wrong. I Googled, I searched, I did everything I possibly thought I could. But at this time, I'm going to give you guys what I have. Hopefully, you guys will help me out as much as humanly possible. And we get back on track for week two, week three, and week four. And this looks like it should be a lot of fun, this class, that we're actually building something and you're going to start um, seeing how everything works within the application that we're building. And as I'm starting to find out, maybe the app that I was building last month is not the one I want to go forward with. I might try to change that. But right now, more or less, I want to do is get what I need to get taken care of first, learned. That way I can kind of build upon that. But until then, see you guys next week. Comment all you want, but I know I was not the only one who had a rough time going from last month where it was a walkthrough to this month saying, here you go. And that's not the instructor's fault. That is just something that I was a misconception of when I wanted to start this actual project, and logged into the Wimba and saw that. I spent the last 3 days trying to move forward and build what I wanted to do, and it just did not go the way I expected it to. So hopefully week two again will carry something a little bit better. Again, thank you guys very much, and sorry for the quick video, but I just wanted to put something out there to make sure that everybody knows that we are going to do this in week two, week three, and week four. So thank you very much. Again, Stephen Ratliff, MIU, week one.